Welcome to radicalwellnesstv.com. This is Laura Lee, and I am here to help you help yourself with tips and ideas on how to take care of yourself naturally. Food Defect could make thousands mentally ill. Factory farming has denied us chemicals in our diet that are vital to brain development, warn scientists. Hundreds of thousands of people in Britain are at risk of developing mental disease over the next few decades because their food lacks a key range of chemicals. This is June 27, 2004, by the way. It's by a science editor named Mckie. This dramatic warning is to be outlined by international researchers when they gather in Britain this week to discuss new studies that show modern diets are deficient in substances called omega-3s. Intensive farming methods, increased use of breakfast cereals, and the widespread use of sunflower oils have led to a dangerous change in our diets, say researchers. They have discovered that deficiencies of the omega-3s substances are critical to brain development, are linked to behavioral problems among children and depression among adults. We are facing a health crisis more serious and more dangerous than that posed by obesity in the West, said Professor Michael Crawford, the University of North London. These studies are very worrying, added Crawford, a keynote speaker at this week's annual Congress of the International Society of the Study of Fatty Acids and Lipids, ISSL, to be held in Brighton. Two key forms of fatty acids are involved in the human diet. One set are the omega-3s, which are found in the meat of animals and fowls such as cattle and chicken, which graze on grass, and in vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage. The second version are known as omega-6s, found in cereals and in meats of animals fed on cereals. In the past, diets contained balanced amounts of these chemicals. However, omega-6s have increasingly come to dominate the shelves of food stores. As farmers have fed more and more cattle on grain, and food manufacturers have turned to the use of sunflower and other similar oils. As a result, Western nations are now have serious and worrying dietary imbalances. In the brain, omega-3s and omega-6s act as building blocks for the membranes that surround our neurons. However, omega-3 lipids are not considered particularly important for this task. Individuals that are omega-3 rich end up with neurons that run very fast, like Pentium 3 microprocessors, said Professor Tom Sanders of the Nutrition, Foods and Health Research Center at King's College London. Those that have too much omega-6 are slow and sluggish, like a 20-year-old silicone chip. Omega-3 rich cells make more complex links with other neurons. Scientists have found that this lattice of nerve connections forms the basis of our intelligence. The last 3 months of pregnancy and the first 6 weeks after birth are particularly critical for laying down these brain lattices. Omega-3 fats are therefore essential in the diets of pregnant women for the healthy development of the brain, retina, and nervous system tissue in the unborn child, said Dr. Ray Rice of ISSL. This point is underlined by a newly completed analysis of the replies of 14,500 families who took part in an Avon longitudinal study of parents and children. This study has found that pregnant women who had diets low in omega-3s, which are also found in high levels in fish and high in omega-6s, had an increased level of depression. Their children were more likely to suffer problems with coordination and behavioral, and in the bottom quarter of their class in verbal IQ tests. Other studies have produced. I'm going to go ahead and continue this another video, and what we're doing is we're finding out the food defect that could make thousands mentally ill. Now this is 2004, and now we're in 2017, and we're seeing the effects of that. So be easy on each other. Love life, and life will love you back. Love other people. Really appreciate that they're very much warriors just being able to make it on this planet with the food and the environment that we find ourselves in. So anyway, please just connect with each other. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Like and share, and I'll make this a part 2. Okay, bye-bye.